The Iowa Department of Transportation is proud to announce the completion and opening of the I-80 I-29 dual divided freeway in Council Bluffs.
The dual divided freeway is the marquee feature of the Council Bluffs Interstate System Reconstruction Program. It's a 3-mile stretch of the interstate through Council Bluffs that separates I-80 through traffic from I-29 local traffic, thus creating the I-80 express lanes and the I-29 I-80 local lanes.
Travelers can expect 3 lanes in each direction for the express and additional 3 lanes in each direction for the local. That carries I-29 and I-80 local traffic. The right-hand exits and entrances are there to improve safety and driver expectancy. We've got pavement markings that include high contrast skip dashes. These are easier to see during the daytime when you've got the black on white on the gray concrete, as well as glass beads that reflect light to make them more visible at night. We've also included some gates between the express and local lanes. That allows traffic to move from one system to another should we have a crash.
In addition to those improvements, there are also other improvements that travelers may or may not see. Those include color dynamic message signs, which help us create tailored messages for traversing the dual divided freeway system. We've also included LED lighting, which helps with traveling during nighttime operations, but also saves energy. And finally, we've also been able to increase the speed limit to 65 miles per hour. The dual divided freeway was needed because if you remember back when the interstate was 2 lanes in each direction, there were a lot of daily backups. In addition to that, there were several left-hand exits and entrances that created issues for driver expectancy and ultimately led to some safety issues. In addition to that, the interstate was originally constructed in the 1960s, and even though there had been some routine maintenance done, no real reconstruction or updates have been done to the interstate since it was originally built.
I would say probably in early to mid 2000, we were starting to look at reconstructing the entire interstate within Council Bluffs. And one of the concerns that we had was really a tight spacing of 2 systems interchanges with Interstate 80 and I-29, significant corridors within Iowa and within the nation.
Well, this is a complex project. We had to manage budgets. We had to stay on schedule. We had several contractors working together, getting them to complete all of their milestones so the next contractor can come in and complete his. And then we had movement of traffic. We had to keep enough lanes open to satisfy our capacity needs throughout construction. So we had multiple lane shifts, multiple closures. We had to keep everybody informed.
And finally, we needed to come up with a signing and wayfinding strategy to allow travelers to navigate safely and easily through the dual divided freeway.
Probably drive it at least once a week. I would have to say that I'm more pleased than you really can imagine in terms of seeing it first on paper and now really seeing it at its completion. It operates wonderfully. I'm just glad to have had a part and opportunity in creating this infrastructure.
This project couldn't be accomplished without our partners such as FHWA, City of Council Bluffs, MAPA, Army Corps of Engineers, Federal Railroad Administration, emergency responders, and of course our contractors. We want to thank our community and travelers for their patience during the construction of this exciting project and hope that this project has a positive impact on your travel in and around Council Bluffs.